How to change temperature and cooling settings for generic PLA printing profile in Bambu Studio. Go to Project Filaments section. Click on the three dots next to the selected filament profile. Choose Edit. Adjust parameters accordingly in the filament section to the desired values. Cool plate super tack 35 to initial layer and other layers 35. Cool plate 50. Engineering plate 50. Smooth pay plate, high temperature plate 50. Textured pay plate 50. For the nozzle, set initial layer 220 degrees Celsius and other layers 210. Next, adjust parameters accordingly in the cooling section to the desired values. Minimal and maximal fan speed threshold set to 100%. Keep fan always on. Slow printing down for better layer cooling. Minimal printing speed 5 mm per second. Force cooling for overhangs and bridges. Cooling overhead threshold 0%. Overhang threshold for participating cooling 100%. Fan speed for overhangs 100%. Pre-start fan time 2 seconds. And lastly, auxiliary part cooling fan 100%. Click the Save icon. Enter the name for your new profile, the Filament HT-PLA. Click OK to save. Go back to Project Filaments section. Expand the drop-down list and navigate to Custom category. Choose the Filament HT-PLA profile you just created. Done! You are now ready to start printing HT-PLA from the filament. We wish you happy and successful printing.